Hello friends and welcome back to our channel We Parents. Today is 2nd of June and it's our engagement anniversary. It's a tradition which we are following since we got engaged. I am always on leave and we are spending time together.
Yes, and before few days we were planning this day and we were planning to go to some resort. But this is the last time that we are going to celebrate our anniversary, you take it, or a birthday, that we are celebrating before Rian's school reopens. By the end of the month, this month only, Rian's schools are reopening, and so we wanted to make this day very special for us, okay, but more for Rian. And he wanted to go to Fun Blast since the day it was opened. Rian wished to go to Fun Blast, and today as Pawan is on leave, we are going to Fun Blast. So join us guys to Fun Blast. Yay!
Yay! Finally, we have reached to Fun Blast. Parking is very spacious, so don't have to worry for parking at all. It is situated at Sindhu Bhavan Road, which is opposite to B-Star Gym. In this video, we are going to explain you each and everything about Fun Blast. What are the games, what are the rides, what are the charges, how to take the card. Here they are outdoor zone as well as indoor zone. In this video, we will show you each and everything about the Fun Blast. So stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And we are going to have a blast of fun.
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go. We have to purchase a card here, and there are four classes of the things that we can purchase. On 1000 we'll get 1100, on 2500 we'll get 3000, on gold class 5000 we'll get 6500, and on 10,000 we'll get a 14,000 amount card. So let's see which we are going to buy.
Please give me a silver card.
Sure, sir. In silver class, you are getting 3,000 balance. 1 year की validity आएगी. उसमें कोई नहीं होगा, but you can use till 1 year. Inside, outside, दोनों side. Yes sir. 1 साल की validity है इसकी. आप like एक कार्ड आप 10 लोग भी multiple use कर सकते हो. 90 रुपीस से गेम स्टार्ट होगा. 500 रुपीस तक के गेम. 90 रुपीस. Yes. जहाँ आप टैप करोगे आपके बैलेंस से उतना डिडक्ट कर जाएगा.
मतलब बैलेंस खत्म होगा उसके बाद
You can recharge. Like minimum 500 से आप recharge करवा सकते हो अगर आपको.
minimum 500 recharge.
Yes.
So we don't have to buy a new card.
No, you don't have to buy. इसकी 1 year की वैलिडिटी है. आप 1 साल में कभी भी यूज कर सकते हो.
Okay. और indoor outdoor both के लिए.
दोनों.
What are the payment like? How will you accept the payment?
Like all kind of accepted. Like he has the card system, online option, and cash payment, whatever you like.
So it is very good that you don't have to worry for payment mode. They accept cash, card or online payment.
Which card we are buying?
We are currently we are going for a silver class.
Okay, we are going a super class card.
And if you will require more, then we will definitely recharge it.
Okay, done.
Thank you so much. Enjoy it.
Yay! Woo! So here there are many options that we are getting in return of our tickets. Few games will give us tickets, and from the tickets we can buy any of the things here. And the things are also very nice. For 15 tickets you get this and so on. The staff here is very helpful. That's what we felt when we entered. Okay, so going inside they don't charge anything. There is no entry ticket to go inside. So you can first have a look through the rides, what kind of things they have inside and outside, and then you can decide what card to buy and which class to go. But it's a must visit place, so come here guys. Now let's go in. Let's move here. And now we are going to begin with the first thing. I think we will go to a cave. Let's see. First we are visiting to the trampoline park here, and it's a 30-minute session that is going to be here. I'll show you. General consent letter for the trampoline park that is over here. So we have to write the name of the child, the time, and we just have to write a mobile number and sign it. And for the age of 4 years, it is compulsory for a parent to accompany child for the supervision. If you don't want to go inside, then there is a smaller trampoline area for the smaller kids. You can go there and leave it kids alone. But if you want to go here, a parent must accompany to the child for the supervision. Let's go. In this video we have shared with you maximum information and all the rides and games charges also, so you don't miss out anything. See the whole video so you can come to know about the information at Fun Blast. interested, I would suggest that enjoy other rides first and then come to trampoline because it is extremely tiring, guys. We are sweaty here and it is really a blast of fun that we are having. But just a suggestion, come at the end here so you will not get exhausted in the beginning. The mistake which we made, you don't please make it. And you please stay tuned. Fun Blast, the charges for weekdays, that is Monday to Friday, are different from the weekend charges. And we went on weekdays, so charges that we are sharing with you for each and every ride are the weekday charges. The weekend charges are little bit higher from the rest of the days. So plan accordingly and enjoy.
Check your balance here, you can also check. Now we are going to the first floor.
We had great fun here. You were fearing, Rian?
You think? No.
Don't lie.
Now we will take a break. We'll have some food. Let us check what are the food options here. Then we will go outdoor.
We have crushed coffee, the bench plate and puff pizza, and we have only these three options to order from. Now let's see what we order. It's almost 2 hours now, and how much time you have, it is less over here when you are coming with kids. After our lunch, we'll be going to outdoor area. Actually, we're extremely tired today to go to outdoor area. But the thing is that as we have promised to you, we will show you indoor and outdoor area. So after lunch we are heading there. Please stay tuned to our channel, and guys, we are posting so many good content for you. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon. We promise you very useful content. coming your way all the time. Stay tuned.
This is outdoor sitting area where you can have your snacks and you can have your food. This is outdoor sitting area where you can have your food.
You want to eat? Take it. Woo! Yay! Happy? Eat.
This adventure zone is for above 5 years only. So sadly Rian won't be able to do this activity.
Hot outside, and sadly Rian is not allowed to do zipline, cycling, the adventure activity that is over there, the swing, everything is not allowed because he is below 5 years, and only 5 or 6 years plus kids are only allowed to do those activities. So we are going to this area which has some activities or games for the smaller kids, and let's see if we can do that. There's one new thing which we came to know when we came to the outdoor zone, that when you come to outdoor zone you have to buy this card, this tickets for each and every ride that is in the outdoor zone. So it is compulsory to get a ticket. Either you can pay cash or card for the ticket, or you can redeem from the balance that you have credited to your card. But buying this is compulsory. You cannot directly use the card for the outdoor activities. So make sure that if you don't want to put the amount in card, you can directly come outside and get a ticket from your cash and do the outdoor activity with your kids. We found a water boat activity which luckily 2 to 8 year kids can do, and Rian is going in it. Rian, do you want to go for boating? Yes? Say loudly. Yes. This all things are on this side in the very last corner of the Fun Blast. So very few people are coming here. So when you come and if you have very small kids under 3 years, 4 years, then you do visit this area, they will like it. For the rocket injections, the maximum weight would be 75 kgs, and these are the precautions to be taken. And now next Pawan is going to do this thing. So let's see how it goes, and he's less than 75 obviously.
Guys, thank you for watching our video. We have enjoyed a lot here. Now we will continue our day. Till that time, you stay tuned to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the timely updates. Till the time, bye-bye.